This is Samsung Galaxy A34, and in today's short and simple video I will show how you can enter the high resolution camera mode on this device. So without further ado, make sure that you are in the default photo mode. Then at this top toolbar that you have, tap at the aspect ratio option and switch it to 3:4 48 megapixels value. And now the pictures that you'll take will be shot at the 48 megapixels mode. And if you will check the picture details, it will be in the significantly higher resolution than the default pictures have. It will have more depth to it, more improved quality, but it comes at the expense of increased file size. So here is some regular picture, and you can compare the resolutions. And oh no, that's also a high resolution one, and this one as well. Whoa. It's pretty tough to find. So here it is. That's the default 12 megapixels photo. Here is the resolution. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.